Hey yeah guys, so there are the best promo codes for the Bloxflip website here in front of you. How you can find it? Open your browser in front of you and search for the best promo codes available for the Bloxflip here. And then you have to click on the first website, that is ETC Gamer, that will give you the best genuine codes for this month. So in front of you, you can choose any one of them, that is Lucky Gamer. You can get 24% discount. You can sail smoothly with this code. Get Go mad for July with a 22% bonus. Get discount of 20%. So please try to search these type of codes and you can use any one of them. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, because we cannot do anything with it. You just have to find the QR or promo codes from these third-party websites. Thank you for watching the video and please hit the bell icon to receive more updates like this.